I'm Charlotte. This will be my third training with David, and I live in Durango, Colorado. He focuses on being in the present moment, not so much as a set routine, but he gives you all the tools and then you run with it. Then you use your intuitive senses to really tune in to whomever you're working on so that you can serve their highest good. I am eternally grateful to have this opportunity to be training in this beautiful place with David, and it was very special, and I can't wait to do it again. There's really not a lot of words I can express how amazing it was. So, namaste.